Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to close a project on GitHub. So to close a project, simply click the repository in which the project is a part of. So I'm going to click my repository right here. Then go to projects and you will find your projects right here. Now, if you click towards the right hand side, you don't have close project, you only have remove. So you don't want to do it right here. All you have to do, click on the project. And once you click on the project, you can click the pencil icon to edit the project name. For example, it's going to take you right into the project settings. That's a quick way how to access it. Scroll down towards the bottom and you'll have close project. Simply click close this project and you'll be able to see that the project is closed. Now, if I go back, you'll be able to see that the project is actually closed, right? And that's it. So once you're back, you'll be able to see that you only have one open project. But if I go to closed, you can see that this project is here. If you click the three dots right here, guys, you have the option to reopen the project if you need to. And that's it. That's how you go ahead and close a project on GitHub.